Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Omari Stevens. I'm a captain here with North Las Vegas Fire Department, and I am our Explorers Program Coordinator. And we are here at our second annual North Las Vegas Fire Explorers Academy. So today we're representing 5 total departments with over 55 kids and over 30 advisors who are giving our explorers a chance in the 3-day academy to really dive into what it is that we do as firefighters. And we look forward to growing this, going with the years forward. So today we're representing Las Vegas Fire and Rescue, North Las Vegas Fire Department, Hemet Fire Department, San Bernardino County Fire Department, Oakland Fire Department.
When I was young, my daddy said, gotta keep one eye open in your bed, 'cause there's a time coming when the devil gonna come for you. So my trigger fingers stay prepared. I've got my weapon and I got my prayers, 'cause if you don't run this town, they'll walk all over you. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. You can outrun the devil, but you ain't gonna outrun me. You ain't gonna outrun me. You ain't gonna, you ain't gonna outrun me. When I was younger, my mama said, gotta make your green and you'll be seeing red. 'Cause if you ain't got none, well, nobody gon' come for you. She would tell me tales that would leave me scared, so I made sure to get it through my head. I'm either gonna run this town or walk all over you. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. You can outrun the devil, but you ain't gonna outrun me. You ain't gonna outrun me. You ain't gonna, you ain't gonna, you ain't gonna outrun me. Oh, you better run. Oh, yeah, I say you better run, boy. Oh, you better run. Oh, yeah, I say you better run, boy. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. You can outrun the devil, but you ain't gonna outrun me.
Hey, my name is Dave Prieto. I'm a captain with the Hemet Fire Department, and I've been running our Explorer post for about 18 years now. And this is our second North Las Vegas Fire Academy, Explorer Academy. And we've had a great relationship with the North Las Vegas Fire Department for over 15 years. And we love bringing our kids out here because they get to experience everything that's good about the fire service: the camaraderie, the friendship, the hard work, and the satisfaction at the end of the day. So we like to bring them here, give them real experiences, experiencing real fires, putting hands on the tools, and of course all the cleanup at the end. So we want to say thank you to the North Las Vegas Fire Department for hosting this great academy. We can't wait to see you guys again next year.
Hi, my name is Alina Martinez. I'm with the City of Hemet Fire Department. We are right here. This is my second fire academy as an explorer over here at the North Las Vegas Fire Department. It's been pretty fun out here. We got to do some burns. We got to do some ventilation over fire. We got to do some firefighting skills. We went through some obstacles. Tomorrow I will be doing extrication, and then later in the day we'll be doing vehicle fires. So it's pretty cool out here. I suggest people join in the Explorers.
I've been a North Las Vegas Fire Explorer for just over a year now, and this year I got the experience to be in the North Las Vegas Fire Explorer Academy, and this is my first time doing it. And it's been a great experience. I've made a lot of new friends with the departments from all over, and it's a lot to learn in just these few short days, but it really gives us the feeling of being in a real life academy. From being here like 6 a.m. to 5, it's just amazing, and we're getting a real life experience.
So hello, my name is Brian Hicks. I'm a captain with the Oakland Fire Department. So currently our department doesn't have an Explorer post, but members have been assisting with the Explorer program for many, many years. And so this is my first year here. I got invited to come out. I'm happy to help. The Explorer program is an absolutely amazing opportunity for youth who are interested in becoming firefighters. It's great because we get to develop them as they grow and mature and give them the tools, the experience, and the networking so they're better prepared to come into the workforce and be prospective firefighters for our agencies. It's a great program.
My name is Adrian Aragon. I'm with the City of Las Vegas Fire Department Explorer program. This is my first Explorer Academy, and this has meant everything to me. I think that being, first of all, having the opportunity, I want to thank my fire department and the Explorer program for giving me this opportunity, and I've learned so much. I think it's always fun to go apply my skills and my training that I've continuously done every week in and out to come apply it here and learn new things from different departments and see the different things like live fire. I think it's a great opportunity. I'm very blessed and very thankful to be here.
How you doing? My name is Zach Jones. I'm with Las Vegas Fire and Rescue. I've been a firefighter paramedic for the last 5 years now. We brought 8 of our personal explorers here to this Northtown Burn Academy. It's been a great opportunity for all of us and all of them. Same with San Bernardino and Hemet. Bringing all these explorers here to do some live burns and train with us as firemen and cut on the roof and do some fun stuff and really learn how to become a fireman and feel the heat, see the smoke, see the flames, see what it does, and improve their knowledge and their skill base. So one day when they do become firefighters, they're that much more prepared and they're that much more ready to tackle this very high-stress job that we have.
Just want to add, I'm Jenna from Las Vegas Fire and Rescue. Just want to thank the city of North Las Vegas, the hospitality, everything that they've done here, top-notch, unbelievable. We appreciate it.
My name is Matthew Lamb. I am the San Bernardino department, and this academy itself is kind of showed me that what's going to be happening in my career, and it's showing me what everything's gonna be for me. So like with the firehouse and attacking the fire or coming here and working with chainsaws is kind of getting me prepared for what's ahead, and this is showing me exactly what's going to be happening, and I'm really excited for it.